Getting the shipping right is the difference between a quick sale and a cancelled order. So this year, Vinted's Postage system is almost entirely automated. The buyer pays and you just drop it off. And today I am showing you how to set your parcel sizes and manage your carrier settings so you never pay out of pocket for shipping. So when you're selling a new item, just scroll down to the shipping section. You don't type in a price, instead you select a parcel size. So for small, perfect for t-shirts or jewelry. Medium, best for jeans or light sweaters. And large, use this for coats or heavy boots. Squarespace, Vinted automatically calculates the cost for the buyer based on these tiers. Also pro tip, if you choose a size that's too small and the post office flags it, Vinted might charge you the difference, so always round up if you're unsure. And you can actually control which shipping companies you want to use. So for that you just go to your profile, tap settings and then postage. Here you'll see a list of carriers like InPost, UPS and USPS. If a specific drop-off point is 30 miles away from your house, just toggle that carrier off. This ensures buyers can only choose shipping methods that are convenient for you to drop off. And once someone buys your item, don't go to the post office and buy stamps. Vinted will send you a notification with a Get Shipping Label button. This year, most carriers offer digital QR codes. You just show the code on your phone at the drop-off point, and they print the label for you. If you prefer the old school way, you can still download the PDF, print it at home, and tape it to your package. Once the sale is made, you have 5 business days to get that package scanned. If you miss this window, Vinted's automated system will cancel the order and refund the buyer immediately. As soon as the clerk scans your package, the status in your app will update to shipped and the tracking starts automatically. You don't have to manually enter any tracking numbers. And this is the stress-free way to handle postage in this year. If this seller guide helped you out, hit the subscribe button and like the video. See you next time.